Yes, we're back again with the top keywords on Etsy now. Let eRank take the guesswork out of your Etsy SEO and product research. We'll show you what the most popular search terms are with US shoppers right now. This video is just a summary. The lovely Jan over at the eRank blog creates these reports, so for more information, please pop over to the blog. Here is August's 20 most searched keywords on Etsy, and as ever, beware of trademark terms. This report may contain keywords that are trademarked. It's interesting. Well, of course, we eRank data geeks always find these interesting, but this month's list has some surprises. Jan had great fun digging into last August's top 20 and comparing them with this year, niching down to find promising keywords and finding those keywords with the highest purchase intent. But for this overview, let's jump in with our top Etsy searches climbing the highest fastest. Here are the month's climbers in order by current rank, followed by their rank last month. And that's it. There's only 5 that weren't in July's top 20. In terms of a typical turnover, 5 is very much on the low side. July had 9. So let's dig into some of these searches. Halloween and wall art are seasonal heavyweights, just like last year. Halloween and wall art are neck and neck at the top. Halloween does show higher click-through rates, but both have the high conversion banner, so buyers aren't just browsing spooky stuff in wall art, they are ready to purchase. And furniture took a big leap. It jumped to the top 20 from number 34 last month. It has the trending in search banner, meaning it continues to be popular in September. The click-through rate shot up dramatically, so it's serious shopper interest. Big ticket items can do well on Etsy if they're presented right. Book Lover Gift is a screamer this month. Out of nowhere, it went from not even in the top 1,000 to number 19. This was likely boosted by Etsy's homepage promos, but still shows strong clicks, so it looks like they know what they're doing. Isn't that just typical? When I temporarily paused my shipping to the US, a keyword for me is in the top 20. But it's good to know that bookish niche is still popular on Etsy. Posters are popular but crowded. Look at that competition. It does keep climbing. It's now a staple in the top 20. Demand is strong, but competition is massive, and lots of keywords are IP protected: movies, music, or games. So niche down safely with ideas like surf posters or custom photo posters. Personalized versus custom. The word personalized broke into the top 20 for the first time, while custom is lagging way behind. Etsy shoppers also use these terms interchangeably, but stats show personalized is currently a little better than custom. So perhaps lean on personalized gift wording, not just custom. This month, Jan noticed a record number of high click-through rate keywords. Click-through rates are important because it suggests shoppers are loving what they see in search. Even in the top 20, there were a lot with sky-high buyer intent. We really hope it means happy sales days are coming to you all. And now she's off to see what's trending in Etsy's other top-selling countries. And even if you only ship within the US, you might want to check those out. She always discovers more about the US trends as she researches what's popular in the UK, Canada, and Australia. As always, we love hearing what you think. Got questions or suggestions? You're welcome to join us in eRank's private Facebook group. With over 29,000 members from all around the world, someone friendly is always up and about.